Key questions to ask before buying a property with an homeowners association. Considering a property with a homeowners association? Here are essential questions to help you evaluate. The benefits and restrictions. Benefits of the homeowners association. 1. Community features. What amenities are available, such as pools, fitness centers, and recreational facilities? 2. Seasonal maintenance. Does the homeowners association cover services like lawn care, snow removal, and pest control? 3. Repairs and improvements. How does the homeowners association handle maintenance and repairs of common areas? Potential restrictions imposed by the homeowners association. 4. Remodeling. Are there rules for exterior and interior renovations? 5. Landscaping. What are the guidelines for yard maintenance and plant types? 6. Renters. Are there rental restrictions or specific tenant approval requirements?